Didn't quite make it out, so we got the snow. Andy wants to go out. Go out. Whoa! Be careful, Andy. Daddy shoveled some places for you. Go pee-pee. You want to go in the deep snow? Go ahead. You want to go in the deep snow? Go ahead. Look it down here, Andy. Come here. Come here. Look it. You can go here. Andy, Daddy shovel. Look it. Come here, Andy. Look. Come here, Andy. Look it. Down here. Oh, Andy loves the snow. Andy loves the snow. Look at his tail. My tail don't lie. My tail don't lie. I bet he makes a run for it into the deep snow. My tail don't lie. I bet he makes a run for it into the deep snow. This is so Andy can go get the mail. Oh, you ran out of gas? It's Sunday, Andy. There's no mail. Oh, look it. He made a path over here. Andy, look it. There's a path over here. Right here. He's in the deep snow. There you go. I love the snow, he said. I love the snow. Here we go. You gotta go poopy? You gotta go poopy? We're going to Florida real soon. Oh my goodness, he's in the snow. He's in the snow. Oh, sorry folks. Just a quick little pit stop. We got some snow. We didn't get out of here soon enough. No, we didn't. Good boy, Andy. Good boy, Andy. Yep, he's in the deep stuff. He's in the deep stuff. You ran out of gas in the snowblower? Yeah. He wants to walk in the deep stuff.
Yeah, I know he likes the snow.
Go see Daddy. Go find Daddy.
Buddy. Look, buddy.
Look at Andy. Go find Daddy. Go find Daddy. Look at Andy.
Hey, buddy.
It's 20-something degrees. It's very cold.
Want to go in the house?
Want to go in the house? Oh, thanks for doing that for him, honey.
Here. Want to go in?
He don't want to go in. You want to go in? See you in Florida real soon.